Good day, everyone. Ali Safi here from Safi Financial Network. Today is January 23rd, 2024. Here's another daily analysis. We had kind of like a mixed session today, but after hours market went up due to Netflix earning. Yeah, Netflix just saved the market for now. So we had a good earning from Netflix. Seems like it was a good earning, to be honest. I didn't have a chance to look at the earning result. But after hours, it just went up 7-8% to the upside. It's pretty good, decent move to the upside. So that's why Nasdaq and S&P 500, which was kind of like a flat for the entire session, went up after hours. It's kind of like a 20 points to the upside. Right now, S&P is at 48.71 after hours, at just moved higher. So we will give market benefit of doubt, but again, I'm just telling you this earnings season could be very, very volatile. Again, this is the area that I'm looking for as a reversal, and this reversal could end up to here as like a big corrective move. There is no guarantee for this, but if it gets there, we will buy it. So I'm not gonna chase the market for now. I'm just waiting for a good level to get in again. So patience is the key at this environment for now. I'm not gonna gamble on the market. I'm not gonna chase the price, but we will see how it goes with the market. So we keep all our investments as is. We are doing some kind of like rebalancing in our portfolio slowly, but we are fully invested right now. So there is no need for taking off or scaling out for now. So I will let everyone know when I'm doing that one, especially beforehand, my subscribers. Moving on to Nasdaq, which was kind of like a beneficiary of Netflix. So Nasdaq is just moving higher. It didn't go above yesterday top. So still kind of like a showing um, um, lower high here on the in the early time frame. You will see that here is kind of like a formation, but still I'm just still looking for kind of like a double top formation and then coming down. So this is kind of like a good demand area, but if it's broken to the downside, I should say this area and above all this area, which is going to be 16,000 to 16,800 to 16,900. That's the area that I'm looking for as a good kind of like a support for Nasdaq. So we will see if it's coming tomorrow. Texas Instrument came up with a weak earnings, so semiconductors are in pressure right now. But Netflix just kind of like a make up everything. Moving on to Dow Jones, which was kind of like a week today, due to earning for Lockheed Martin, Triple M, and those heavy value stocks just announced the earning before hours, before market. Johnson & Johnson as well is coming down. So Dow still is in a consolidation period. We had a breakout. It was not that strong. Still looking for the best outperformer this year. Again, consolidation and breakout to here to 39,000, 35,900 to 36,257. That would be great buying opportunity. So I'm just waiting for that corrective move. And that corrective move could be sharp, could be very, very surprising to the market, but we will take it as a good buying opportunity. Moving on to gold, which was kind of like a positive today, forming a bullish consolidation here. Seems like in the daily time frame, we're just small bullish consolidation. Again, look at this area, which is going to be 2041. So if 2041 breaks through, we hold above it, back test could be great buying opportunity for 2100-ish again. So we will see how gold is doing for the next weeks. I should say next few weeks, should see some kind of like choppy, sloppy consolidation here. But second half of this year, I'm kind of looking for a good breakout for gold. Moving on to crude, which had a kind of like a negative day pause today. So doji bar, nothing spectacular for crude, especially when we have like a geopolitical tensions still there. But this is kind of like a formation of higher low with a low volume or low momentum. So we need to get above 76. If we get above 76, you should see some kind of like a bullish action coming again to $80. Still, I'm waiting for a good confirmation above 76. Moving on to individual names, starting with Bitcoin. Let me go down to Bitcoin here. Bit had a negative day, so find kind of like a support around 38,000. Still looking for this area, like a 34 to 37,000 is a good amount of support here. So we should see some kind of like a move to the upside from here. Moving on to yield, which kind of like a positive today. Oh, sorry, negative today, doji bar. So yield is coming down, and we should see some kind of like a pullback to here for a next buying opportunity to here. A possible scenario is going to be January 31st. We will see some kind of like a yield spike because I believe Federal Reserve is going to disappoint market. Moving on to treasuries, which had like a doji bar, kind of like forming a double bottom here. If it doesn't hold 93, can go all the way down to 90 to 91. So I'm looking for that area as a kind of like a potential bottom. But if it doesn't hold up this area, 86, 88, could be a great buying opportunity. Treasury is in no man's land now, so I have it, I keep it, and I'm just looking for more upside move down the road, but not soon. VIX coming down sharply, 4% to the downside, especially after hours, it goes lower. So still looking for kind of like a higher high, higher low. If it goes below this at 1230, it can go all the way down to 12 or even sub 12. But I should say VIX can go higher afterwards. Dixie moving up today, so not a bad price action at all. So Dixie is still forming a bullish consolidation. So this bullish consolidation, if it consolidates here more, you should see some kind of like a bullish action going all the way 105. So I don't know what's wrong in the market, but possible scenario is going to be Dixie is hitting to 105, 104.50, 105 is going to be a potential scenario for Dixie as a like the final destination for now. Moving on to the magma indicator going up, Netflix saved this index, Apple going down after hours. It's just coming down a bit, but the entire session Apple was not that bad. Amazon kind of like coming from negative to positive even after hours. It goes positive a bit. So going up again, a tackle area of 156. We will have earning for Amazon, I believe, next week. So we will see how it goes with this name. Meta coming up today, a doji bar, forming a lower, lower, lower high. Microsoft bullish today. After hours, it hits another $400. So we will see how it goes. Google coming up today, especially after hours, due to Netflix earning, gave kind of like optimism to the market. Technology, especially going higher. Netflix, rocket star today. Doji bar today, but look at that, 523 right now is trading more than 7 hours. 7%, sorry, 7 hours, 7% to the upside. So it's pretty good. But look at the level here. So if you just see here, let me just bring another chart for Netflix because I want to cover this one as well. So if Netflix hits this area, which is a 523, so let me go to weekly chart. So this is the hourly chart, but weekly chart tells us 533, that's going to be here, this area, which is going to be this breakout level. So Netflix is hitting another important level here in the chart. So you see some kind of like here is the accumulation for a nice spike, and here's the beginning of the sell-off. Right now, Netflix is heading to the beginning of this sell-off or middle of this sell-off. So very, very important level. I should say Netflix is in higher high, higher low, and right now we are just seeing exhaustive move to the upside, higher high. If corrective move is coming, you shouldn't be surprised. Still, we are in a bull trend, but this is going to be channeling up, and we are due for corrective move for the next few weeks. So probably that's going to be just exhaustive move to the upside for Netflix. 533, as I show you there. Tesla coming up slightly. Tomorrow we will have earning for Tesla. So it's going to be a spicy day for Tesla, especially after hours. SMH semiconductor index coming down Today was up, but after hours it goes lower, even going below yesterday's session. So due to Texas Instrument just bring the entire sector down. Stocks coming down as well. TSM had a move to the upside, but after hours it goes lower. AMD, a positive day. After hours, just a slightly positive. NVIDIA, just a flat after hours as well. So Texas Instrument coming down sharply even after earnings. So we had kind of like a doji bar or shooting a star at the top. And then after hours, it goes lower here. So we can find support here, somewhere around here. But I should say Texas can go all the way down to here for a great buying opportunity if it comes here. So we will take it. Moving on to Lam Research is the next. So it's kind of like a forming a doji bar, nothing special. Moving on to XLF, Financial Spider, 6 cents up, not a bad session, just a doji bar. KBE coming down, KRE negative day, JP Morgan coming down as well. So JP Morgan after earning, it was pretty good earning, but look at the candle formation after earning. It's just going up and down yo-yo. It's pretty choppy here. Goldman Sachs coming down sharply after yesterday, topping tail. Bank of America, 22 cents up. It's kind of like a basket of everything today in financials. Wells Fargo, 59 cents up today. So good price action for Wells Fargo after find a bottom here around 46. But right now we are just getting another possible scenario for a lower high, and then it can go lower. GDX, nice reversal. So I should say gold miners are back to the life. Nice momentum for GDX going higher. So good price action for all of them. Gold miners, GDXJ, the same pattern going higher. AEM, nice move. Even after hours, it goes higher. Newmont going higher as well. So this is a good reversal. Broad-based rally for gold miners. Franco-Nevada going up. So it goes to 110, even 0.11 after hours. So if it goes above 110, established itself above 112, that's going to be a good move. It can go all the way to 123. Gold Barrick going up, nice 40 cents to the upside. So congratulations to our subscribers. We bought it and it's moving higher. Moving on to the last sector of today, energy, spiders, XLE coming up and then going down. So it's weak right now. XOP, oil and gas exploration ETF, coming up as well, but it is pretty weak still. OIH, $1.53 up. Exxon, $1.09 up. And Chevron just coming up and then going down. It's kind of like an intraday session, pretty aggressive. First of all, it goes higher and then coming down. So this is kind of like a confirmation that this one is forming a bearish consolidation for leg lower. 130 is coming down the road. So be careful on these names. Energy stocks, I'm not bullish on these names at all. Okay, I think I covered everything. If you like this video, please smash the like button, subscribe to our channel, and have a good one. See you on the chart. Bye-bye.